Ngayon, nagtanong si Mr. Giga, saan daw magkita, kay dalhin niya daw yung mga bata, ganito, ganyan. Hindi na ako muna magsabi, no? Pero siguraduhin niya na pag nagkita kami, enough yung budget niya. Kaya gana makipagkita kay Mr. Giga na dala mo yung mga pamangkin ko ha, na hindi ako kasama. Alright? Siguro, I mean, marami nagsabi, wala mang masama, madam, kay kasal pa man kayo. Yes, walang masama, kay kasal pa man kami. Pero,
Spider-Man?
you want to mommy to be Spider-Man?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. What's my face when I'm Spider-Man?
Why?
Hi.
Look, I put my head like this.
I put my head like that. And... Amoy ipis lang ito, nak. Ikaw naman. My turn. Ay, your turn. Amoy ipis man. Saan to galing? Baka mukha mo yan ba? Azu! Azu! Azu!
Mommy, look, huh? It's not
Wow.
working.
Eh, it's not working. Oh no! Spider-Man! It's not working. You need a spider to bite you in the neck.
Okay, Mommy.
Huh? Incy wincy spider bite you in the neck. Now try again.
Look, oh.
Uh-huh.
Wait,
But
I'm
you're
trying.
not a spider.
How are you?
You're not a spider. Try again.
Look, oh.
Okay, try again.
Look, oh. Look, oh. And look, oh.
Okay.
How are you?
Don't bite yourself. You're not a Spider-Man. Be? Wala yan. Painful yan, oh. Oh, painful yan.
Mommy, look, oh.
Okay, it's your turn to be a Spider-Woman.
That's so scary.
It's not scary. Okay, let Chico be a superhero. Here, give it back to Chico. Yes. Maayong gabi every market. Maayong gabi everyone. Time check natin is alas 6:47. Ang aga pa guys, no? Alhamdulillah, tapos na kaming kumain. And maaga tayo nakatapos na magkain kasi syempre, meron kaming ulam kanina na sobra. Di ba? Meron kaming sobra na tinolang manok ni Aling Bebe. Tinolang manok. Okay, so dahil live selling ko bukas, meron ako nakitang tanong, sabi sa akin, Madam, sabi niya, Madam, sa international ako, nasa labas ako ng Pilipinas, pwede po ba akong mag-order ng iyong non-tarnished na mga jewelries from Denmark? Pwede. Ayan, para sa iyo, Madam, pwede. Kasi meron po akong mga orders na i-send ko sa US, then meron akong, saan pa yung iba? 3 bansa ang nasendan ko eh. Meron akong order ng mga taga-abroad, pero nireregalo nila sa mga kapamilya nila dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? Syempre, murang-mura na yun kasi wala na silang babayarang import tax. Para na din silang namili sa abroad. Ayan. Certified, satisfied, registered. And legit, authentic na mga non-tarnished natin na jewelries from Denmark. Ang ating binibenta. Ayun, guys. So, huwag kayong magpapahuli. Kung wala pa kayo, siguraduhin ninyo na masubukan ninyo. So, sample niyan is itong aking suot right now. This is my moon loop or moon hoop. Ang code nito ay moon or buwan. Kasi meron akong ibang mga... Hello! Oy! Who is that? Is that Iron Man?
Yeah.
Let me see.
No.
Oh, no.
Human.
You're Iron Man. Let me see you.
Look, oh, it's yummy.
It's Mayumi pala. Akala ko si Iron Man eh. Because I cannot see your face eh.
Huh?
Oh? It's Mayumi pala? Who is that?
Huh?
Huh?
Yummy.
Ay, si Yumi pala. Put on the mask daw, be. Oh, where's Mayumi? Oh, who is that?
Yummy.
Mayumi pala. Okay, go play. Nakikipaglaro kasi siya. What happened? You want mama's help?
Yeah.
Say help, please. Okay. I'm a robot.
Look, this is Iron Man.
That's Iron Man. Nope, this is
Yummy.
Yumi. You are a robot. Ink, ink. You're a robot. So ngayon, time check alas 7 pa lang, yung bahay namin, wala na. Chill na yung mga bata kasi kumain na kami ng dinner and everything. And, nakaligo na din sila, so magpapahinga na lang. Inaantay ko na lang si mama na dumating pa uwi. And tomorrow is going to be, alam nyo guys, yung family day namin, isang araw lang, naging 2 araw. Alam nyo kung bakit? Yung level ng stress guys, dumoble. So dumoble na din yung family day. Sabi ni Miss Hannah, ma'am, ang daya mo kasi dati, natatrabaho ka ng Sabado, family day mo Sunday, bakit ngayon pati Saturday? Sabi ko, Miss, dumoble kasi yung stress. So kailangan dumoble din yung family day. Ano, what happened? Why are you angry? Saan? Ah, okay, sige. You're gonna be a costume, what? You're gonna be Spider-Man. But then you cannot actually clean them up. So, how? Calby, I need this tray out of the room, please. Put all the things there.
Chico, put all the stuff back. Let them play for me to play.
Okay. So, magbibihis daw si Chico. Make sure you clean them up, ha? I'm not gonna clean them up. Magbibihis daw si Chico ng kanyang superhero costume. But anyway, like I said, sabi ko nga, ako'y, ano ba yan? Ay, wag dyan na kayo, may electricity dyan. Wag dyan, come here. May electricity dyan, no? Bawal ka dyan. So, nagtrabaho man ako today, guys. We did some live selling today. And so far, okay naman siya. Pero, yun nga, medyo madalang yung negosyo. Pero ganun talaga. Basta negosyo, guys, meron talagang mga panahon na yung negosyo ay hindi ganun ka, lakas. Hindi katulad dati, no? May mga araw din naman na malakas. May mga araw din na hindi masyado. So, tanggap-tanggap na lang. Wala na rin tayong choice. But, yung nagbablog ako kung ano nakikita ko sa labas kasi may mga natatapon yung mga bata na Play-Doh tapos tumidikit sa wall, no? But today has been quite productive day kasi other than that, dumaan dito yung aking financial advisor. Bumisita lang siya as a friend and nag-usap kami ng konti about sa negosyo, about sa trabaho, ganun. At yeah, so dumoble yung aming family day. So ganito yung mangyayari. Bukas ng umaga, maaga pa tayo, pupunta tayo ng, of course, sasalubungin natin ang sunrise. So, eto guys, believe me, I know it will be quite, maybe hindi nararamdaman ng iba, no? But when you feel na parang yung stress, umaakyat na siya sa ulo mo, umaakyat na sa batok mo, mararamdaman mo, na parang toxic na yung level mo, leave everything behind and go be with Mother Earth, with Mother Nature. Either mag-walking ka, mag-hiking ka, makinig ka ng tunog ng batis, ng sapa, or lumangoy ka sa dagat, or makinig ka sa alon. It will really help. Maybe it will not help you guys big time or immediately matatanggal yung stress mo, but gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Yun, gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. So, yun yung gagawin namin bukas, but still I have work to do kasi nga, ang aking live selling ng aking Denmark jewelries ay every Sabado ng alas 8 ng gabi. So, yun din ang gagawin ko bukas ng gabi. So, wala na akong trabaho ngayon. Pahinga na ako. Spend time with my kids, manonood kami ng TV, and then magigising very early in the morning. And magluluto pala ako ng babaunin namin. So, for baon, guys, ang gagawin namin ni Ate Jessica, nagluto ako ng paksiw for baon kasi sabi ni Madam Ten Gibbs ay magdadala kami ng baon. Ganda lang yung costume mo. Sabi mo wala ka na Spider-Man, meron pa man di ay.
Hindi, I didn't say myself. Wala na ko nila to Deadpool.
Asang Deadpool di ay nimo? Bag-uman to.
Wala na.
Asa man? I-check mo doon?
I left it there in the backyard.
That's impossible. I bought for you a Deadpool for your birthday.
What? It's costume for the old mask?
Oh, saan ang Deadpool mo? And even a mask I got for you. And even the sword, sana.
Mommy, for on Halloween, mine is Pikachu.
Pikachu naman sa'yo.
Saki-waki.
Ha?
Ako.
Venom. Ha?
Ako, Venom. Mom, can you watch
Venom,
scary?
Venom ka.
Mom, can you watch a scary?
Sige.
Oh, Deadpool lang. Deadpool lang.
Deadpool ulit? Nag-Deadpool ka naman.
Hi, guys.
Show them your teeth. Oh. Tell them the story about your tooth.
Diba, Mom? He's gonna watch.
Tell them the story. Tell them the story about your tooth.
Then will you post? Then can I make my own video machine? So I have likes and money.
Come here. Nan, Roblox, keeping, Caldi. Nan, Roblox make people cray. Look, crazy. Yan yung sa ngipin ni Calvi, guys. Binunot ko. Kasi pag sa dentist, ibunot 1,000. So, si mama na lang yung dentist for today. Another pa ba? Another. Come closer. Malambot na siya. Hello. They heard a cry
In the walkie-talkie.
from a girl.
I'm scared. I'm getting. Mom, can we watch even scary?
Dili, lagi kayo cannot sleep. Come here.
Ah.
It doesn't have a root. What's wrong? Sorry po. It doesn't have a root, man. Parang takot na din ako magano kay nag-aagay-agay siya pero gitanggal ko yung isa, dalawa kasi yun. Yung two front teeth, sabay na sila manghulog. Kasi baka magtubo na yung natural niya ng ngipin, yung big boy's tooth niya, baka magsapaw. So dapat matanggal na siya. Oh, you're Iron Man. Ikaw daw, Calvi. Ikaw daw man, Chico. Ikaw, how about you, Spider-Man? Wow. That will take some time, my love. Oh, be careful. But my stone. Give. Wag yung stone. Chico, ikaw din. Put on your mask. Yan na naman ang trip nila ngayon, superhero. Chico, show me your face.
Chico, let's play funny. Chico, let's play funny. Okay.
Ayan na yung isa. Naka-superhero din pala yung isa eh.
Superman! Let's go. Ready? Go. Mommy! Mommy, say.
And another one. Yours.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi.
Diba the superheroes are real?
Yes.
Really?
I'm a superhero.
I wish I could see them.
No, superheroes are not very real, but your mom can be a superhero.
Yeah, can you?
I
You
can.
have powers?
My powers is everything.
But can you show me?
I only use it when you're sleeping.
No, that's not fair.
That's not true, huh?
Oh, hi, Superman! What's it doing here? Supergirl to the rescue! Zoom! Hey, Chico. Wanna play video games? No!
Stop. Your brothers are... Give it to me. I'm not done. That's for
Zoom! Let's go fly. Zoom! Like this, oh. Chico, I have an idea. We should make Mayumi. Mayumi will be the queen. No, we're not queen.
Alright. So, ako'y magluluto, guys, ng ating waffles. Babaunin natin bukas ng umaga. And medyo na-distract ako kaya nag-usap kami ni Mr. Yega dahil tinatanong niya ako kung paano mag-move forward regarding doon sa gusto niyang i-push na makipagkita sa mga bata. So, hindi pa rin pala tapos ang reunion serye. Meron pa pala siyang kadugtong continuation, pero sabi ko sa kanya, ako nagbigay lang ako ng input. Depende sa kung magkano yung kakayanin ng kanyang budget, 'di ba? So, kinukulit ako ni Mr. Giga na mag-share ng family picture. Alam ko na anong gagawin niya dyan sa family picture na yan. I-share niya yung family picture na para bang pinakain niya kami ng 3 taon, which is, okay, fine. So, nag-share ako ng family picture kay Mr. Giga. And tama nga ang aking hinala. Sobrang proud si lolo ninyo. At talagang may gana pa siyang magsabi na, I miss this. Well, eto lang naman ang sinayang mo. 'Di ba? May potensyal na magandang pamilya. Pero kay uwagon man ka, uwagan mong awa tayo mabuhay. So, gagawa ako ngayon, guys, ng waffles. Binili ko to kasi nagsimulang magbenta dito sa subdivision namin ng mga waffles. Ngayon, alam ko yung mga anak ko pag kumain ng mga ganyan, mga waffles. Parang breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, sabi ko, baka pahamak yung budget. Bumili na lang ako sa Shopee nitong non-stick waffle maker. And then, ginagamit ko ganito, pancake and baking mix, creamy and fluffy for the waffle. So, ang binibili ko na lang talaga is gatas at saka itlog. And then, ito na yung hinahalo. Nilalagay ko na dyan. So, yung mga bata, ayaw nila ng merong cheese sa loob. Pero gagawa ako ng may cheese para sa mga matatanda. Kasi yan yung baon namin bukas. Paksiw, boiled egg, kanin, at saka waffles for merienda. Tapos yung boiled egg, breakfast ng mga bata, paksiw na din. Actually, yung mga bata mahilig sa paksiw. Gustong-gusto nila yung isda. So, haluin lang natin ng haluin. Ayan. Para ano siya, smooth. Anyway, kung nagtatanong kayo sa akin, guys, no, kung bakit biglang change of utok, change of heart tayo about dyan sa ano ni Mr. Giga. Madali lang ang ano dyan, madali lang ang sagot dyan, no? Diba? Madali lang ang sagot natin dyan. Sagot natin dyan ay hindi, it doesn't harm us. Okay? It doesn't harm me. It doesn't harm the children. Kung naghihingi lang siya ng picture namin ng mga bata, sige go, walang problema sa akin yan. Picture, wala naman siya magawa dyan sa picture na yan, no? Ano man ang gawin niya sa picture? Jess, pawalis na ako dito, gang, habang nagaluto ako ng waffles. Walis tsaka dustpan, simula dito, papuntang ganun, ha? Okay. O, tama na yan. Enough na yan, Calby. I'm making for tomorrow to the beach. Sleep na kayo, Calby. Oh, tapos, ha? Cereal?
Turn the TV on.
Okay, you can watch TV. Enough with the tablet, ha? So, pinayagan ko sila kasi Friday ngayon. Friday night. Maganda kasi itong non-stick pan, guys, dahil ito ay, tawag na ito, hindi na siya kailangan ng, yes?
Mommy, me and Chico are so close to getting that two-shooter. It
Alright.
takes two peas at a time.
Okay, next time again. I know that thing. So, eto na yung ating gagawin na pang konti lang naman siya, guys. Hindi mo naman kailangan talagang damihan kasi maliit na version ng waffles lang to. So, una ko munang lalagyan. Hindi ko lang alam kung visible dyan, no? Una ko munang lalagyan is etong kalahating ano niya. And then, dadagdagan ko na lang siya sa taas ng konti. Medyo runny yung aking nagawa. Sana it will work. Yan. Kasi, ang gagawin natin is, ayan. And then, aantayin lang natin siya ng mga 2 minutes lang. Turn on the light, Ate Jessica is sweeping. No, that's not nice. Ate Jessica is cleaning. Please turn on the light first.
Mom, I wish you could make a cinema. Milk
Yes. Sos, namukarte ni mo, Chico. I wish narinig niyo yun, guys. I wish we could make a cinema. Mga bata ngayon, grabe yung mga, I wish I could buy a house. I wish I could buy this and that. I wish I could buy a cinema. Sana all. So, 2 minutes lang. Wala pa yatang 2 minutes eh, no? Ayaw din naman nating masunog. So, anyway, it doesn't, bakit ko, finally, ngayong araw, nag-share ako ng picture, family picture, kasi I was posting, nakita niyo sa Facebook page, nag-post ako doon ng picture na family picture namin that was taken during, ayan na, nag-green na siya, yan na siguro yung ating, ay, ang ganda, girl, perfect. So, mag-green pala siya, guys. Pag nag-green na siya, ibig sabihin, luto na. So, napakaganda kasi natakot ako baka mamaya masunog. So, parang merong magkiklik tapos nag-green siya. 'Di ba? So, that's the sign na ready na ang everything. So, pag binuksan natin siya, ganyan po yung magiging itsura niya. And of course, kuha lang tayo dito ng, saan na ba yung aking pang-ipit-ipit? Eto. So, ang ayoko lang is, baka magkaroon si Mr. Giga ng idea na there is a chance. Diba? Baka magkaroon siyang idea for, ilang chance na ba? 20-second chances. 20-second chances. Ang dami palang chances na binigay. So, papayag ako dun sa family picture. So, today, habang nagbabrowse ako ng family picture na ginawa namin nung kami ay nag-annual family portrait, which is, talagang ginawa ko siyang, I decided to make it like, tradisyon. Ayun, tradisyon na magkuha kami ng family portrait ng mga anak ko once a year. Annual gani, no? Once a year. So, this year, yung nagsimula ako ng annual picture, 1 years old si Mayumi. Actually, baby pa si Mayumi. Meron kaming family photo nung baby pa si Mayumi. Ngayon, nasa tiyan ko pa nga si Mayumi that time no? Kumuha kami ng family photo. I remember we chose the color sage green during that time. Ngayon, ang bilis lang pala ng panahon, guys. Ngayon, last year, when Mayumi turned 1, kumuha kami ng picture ulit. That time, ang theme naman namin is somewhat like camel, brown, choco, parang ganun naman yung theme. And white, bali 2 to 3 colors siya, yung napili kong theme. And I chose that as a living room decoration namin, yung family portrait. And then for this year, I chose to make a traditional Filipino theme na portrait namin, which is na-share ko sa inyo dito kung napanood nyo yun during that time. Really amazing moment with my kids. We got some very nice shots as well. Of course, big shout out sa aming photographer kay Ma'am Charis during that time, na taga Jensen lang din, guys. She takes photo of children, of family, of babies. So, natuwa talaga ako. It was a sponsor, so I was really happy with the result. And also, nagsuot kami, first time na napagsuot ko yung mga anak ko ng Filipiniana. Kami modern Filipiniana. Kami ni Mayumi, si Mama din modern Filipiniana. And ang mga anak kong lalaki ay Barong Tagalog for the first time. So ngayong araw, pinaprint ko yon ng malaki para sa bahay. Ilalagay ko sa office. And then, nagpaprint ako ng maliliit para ipamigay sa mga pamilya, sa mga kapatid ko, para makita nila sa bahay nila, ma-remember nila kami tuwing Pasko, tuwing New Year, tuwing birthday, di ba? Ngayon, habang nagpipili ako ng picture, naalala ko na humingi pala itong si Mr. Giga ng letrato. Okay? Humingi pala si Mr. Giga ng letrato na family kung saan kasama nga ako sa picture. So, nung una sabi ko, for what? Diba? Very emotional si Madam ninyo, for what? Why? O, diba? Sino ka para maghingi ng picture ganun? And then I realized, how is it going to hurt? No? How is it going to hurt me and the children? Since wala naman kaming malayo naman si Mr. Giga, wala naman siyang control over us, 'di ba? Other than yung napili niya na part ng participation niya na tinanggap ko din, which is yung sustento. So, I just don't want him to get the wrong idea. And I'm really clear, no? I'm really clear na kay Mr. Giga na hiwalay talaga kami, you guys. Klarong-klaro ako niyan sa kanya. And I don't want him to have that wrong impression. But I also don't want to make it, more complicated, more bitter, more toxic than it already is, right? So, kung ang request niya ay buong picture namin, kahit naman wala siya, okay lang. Kasi wala naman talaga siya sa mga picture na yun, diba? And then, I also want to show him, no? I also want to show him that this is us now. Oh, diba? Huyo ka ngayon sa amin, Dodong. I was able to do this with the help of God, of course. Ang pangit naman kung sabihin natin na tayo lang talaga mag-isa gumawa ng everything. No! God has seen me suffer. God has seen me stood up in every challenge life has brought me because He knew my intention. He knew my heart. He knew the sincerity of my heart as nanay ng mga anak ko. And I just wanted to live with them. I just wanted to enjoy life with them. And God has made it happen. God helped me make it happen. And this is who we are right now. Alhamdulillah, may bahay kami. Alhamdulillah, napapaaral ko yung mga anak ko. Alhamdulillah, napakain ko yung mga anak ko. And we are still able to share to those who also, appreciate some small blessing, diba? So, wait lang, bukas na ito. Charan! Yay! Luto na naman siya. Break na naman tayo. Ayan. So, ito yung baon namin bukas. Kasi katulad nga ng sinabi ko, nakakahiya kay Madam 10 Gibbs. Sa mga kapatid ko na may baon, tapos tayo wala. Huwag naman tayong palamunin. O, diba? Huwag palamunin, pero sa likod ng camera, doon na lagi po halos kumakain pag weekend. Yeah, joke lang, guys. I do my effort naman. I'm going to send a picture and videos of this to my sister. Oh, ito, ginagawa ko na yung baon natin for tomorrow. Ayan, ang ganda. So, matatakaw yung mga bata pa sa dagat, ligo-ligo. So, lagi merong pagkain, maya kain. So, gagawa ako ng isang batch na walang cheese. And then, gagawa ako ng isang batch na merong cheese. Ayun. Ang ganda. Tsaka, hindi siya stress gamitin, in fairness. So, ngayon, pinadalhan ko si Mr. Giga and I did not expect his response, by the way. Ito yung response niya. Oh, diba? Tama yung response mo dong, you are missing this moment, no? And sorry but not sorry, but you are not part of this anymore. Oh, diba? Sana all.
Really gonna bring me to the kitchen.
What? Wait. What did you say? What did you say?
Something is bringing me to the kitchen.
Something smells what?
Like
You say what you said. You say it again. Something.
Something smells so good and it's bringing me to the kitchen.
Narinig nyo guys? Something smells so good and it's bringing me to the kitchen.
This was a big, I saw pumpkin and nothing.
I don't disturb Mama. Baka I'm making waffles for tomorrow.
I have some pancakes.
Waffles yan.
Some cake. And I have some pancakes.
Waffles yan.
No, I said pancakes. Where did the chicken cook that?
Ah, I'm not making pancake tonight. Just waffles.
What does she get? What's the plate in waffles?
Ay, hala. Kala ko nasira. Uy, sira ba yan? Okay. So, I was saying, no, ito nga yung response ni Mr. Yiga. I miss this moment. Dapat lang daw ma-miss mo yung moment na yan doon kasi it will never be your moment anymore. O, diba? It will never be your family anymore. You have lost the chance. Sorry guys, pero ganun talagang katotohanan guys, no? Oh, may nagsabi sa akin, may nag-comment sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, pag hindi mo gusto yung comment, mag-react ka, alangan. Kailan mo ba itanggap pag alam mo yung comment kay hindi ka tanggap-tanggap, 'di ba? Kung alam mo yung comment kay mali, hindi yun akma sa ginapaglaban mo sa buhay mo, alangan manahimik ka. Mga tao dito talaga. Alam mo yung, they are trying to engage me in a certain conversation. Alright? Now, I try to respond. Galit kasi nag-response ako. Hindi man dapat kayo magalit. Kaya this is, this is open conversation. 'Di ba? This is open conversation. You have the right to comment. I have the right to answer back. Very simple. That is the golden rule of conversation. It's open. Open talaga na open. So, ngayon, nagtanong si Mr. Yiga, saan daw magkita, kay dalhin niya daw yung mga bata, ganito, ganyan. Hindi na ako muna magsabi, no? Pero siguraduhin niya na pag nagkita kami, enough yung budget niya, kay kailangan ko ng sarili kong kwarto. Diba? Kasama ang nani ng mga bata. So, either si Ma'am Shin kasi si Achi talagang hindi yan magpayag, guys, na mag-alis kami na wala siya. To be honest with you. Dati niya pa ako gisabihan yan. Sabi niya sa akin, Princess Yiga, sabi niya sa akin, Yega, huwag ka talaga mag-isip, Yega, na makipagkita kay Mr. Yega na dala mo yung mga pamangkin ko ha, na hindi ako kasama. Magpayag ako pero kasama ako. So huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Bantay sarado ni Achi ang bataan. Bataan ni Gabriela silang. So huwag kayong matakot, okay? Even though, like I said, nobody gets out of marriage. Alright? Or nobody gets married only to get out of it years later. Okay? Hindi ko pinangarap maging single mom at lalong hindi ko pinangarap na after kong layasan ng aking marriage, umabot ng 3 taon and then yet some of you are thinking na I will go back. Alright? Siguro, I mean, marami nagsabi, wala mang masama, madam, kay kasal pa man kayo. Yes, walang masama, kay kasal pa man kami. Pero, okay, fine. Kasi may nagsasabi na, malay mo, madam, bigyan mo pa ng chance. Anyway, kahit anong sabihin ko na sagot, di ba? I think it's best to say we will cross the bridge when we get there. Ay, chismis. We will cross the bridge when we get there. Wow. Okay, ang dami na nating nagawa. Pero, for sure, kulang pa to. So, dagdagan pa to natin, guys. Ayan. Diba? Chat. So, magpipicture ako nito. Send ko kay Madam 10 Gibbs. Kaya para makita niya, nag-effort ako, guys. Wait lang.